Today we go to the zoo. I am so excited.
I'm packing our lunch. We need water and sandwiches.
The sun is very strong today. You need sunscreen.
Let's put everything in the car. Oh,
I want to see the lions first.
We will see all the animals.
The zoo is 30 minutes away.
Look! We are here! The zoo! 3 tickets, please.
Here are your tickets. Enjoy the zoo.
The lions are this way. Let's go!
let's go!
Look at the big lion. He is resting in the sun.
Wow, he is so big. The elephant is playing with water. It's so funny.
Yes, elephants love water.
Look how tall they are. I want to be that tall. Giraffes are the tallest animals.
The monkeys are so funny. Look at that one. Penguins walk in a funny way.
Like this.
Let's eat lunch now. You must be hungry.
I'm very hungry.
This is delicious.
Can I get a souvenir? I like this lion.
Yes, you can choose one animal.
We are under the water. The fish are swimming above us.
It's like we are in the ocean.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, the best day ever.
Are you tired?
Yes, but it was so fun.
We are home now.
He's sleeping. It was a long day.
A wonderful day at the zoo. The end.